In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a custom shipping profile in Shopify. Whether you're new to Shopify or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you have everything set up properly for your store. Let's start by navigating to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're there, keep an eye out for the Settings option, usually tucked away in the bottom left corner of your screen. Clicking on Settings will open up a menu with various options to configure your store. Next, within the settings, look for Shipping and Delivery. Selecting this will bring you to the core area where all shipping settings reside. This section is pivotal because it determines how your products will be shipped to your customers, so it's essential to set it up correctly. Inside Shipping and Delivery, you'll find an option to create a custom profile. Click on this to start customizing the shipping rates specifically for certain products. Custom profiles are beneficial as they provide flexibility to charge different rates depending on the product or location. After entering the Custom Profile section, your next task is to add products to this profile. Look for the Add Products button and click it. A list of your products will appear. Select the products you wish to include. In our example, we're choosing the Example Shirt and Example Shirt 2. These selections are just for demonstration purposes. You can select the products that make the most sense for your profile. Once your selections are complete, click on Done to confirm. With your products chosen, the next step is creating a shipping zone. You'll find the Add Shipping Zone button on this page. Click it. Shipping zones allow you to define specific areas around the world where your shipping rates will apply. You'll be prompted to add countries to this zone. Simply select the countries that align with your shipping strategy. If your business primarily operates domestically, choose your home country, or if you plan to ship internationally, add the relevant countries. Once your countries are added, hit Done again to proceed. You've reached the point where you can establish shipping rates for these zones. Look for the Add Rate option. Defining rates here allows you to charge specific shipping fees for the products and zones you've configured. Be mindful to set these rates based on your logistics capabilities and costs. Finally, once all rates are established, click Done once more to ensure everything is saved properly. At this point, you've successfully built out a custom shipping profile tailored to your needs, allowing your Shopify store to offer clear and structured shipping rates for the selected products and regions. There you have it, a straightforward guide to setting up custom shipping profiles in Shopify. This setup can greatly enhance your store's logistics by providing flexibility and control over how your products reach your customers. Be sure to review these settings anytime your shipping strategy changes or if you add new products to your inventory. Thank you for watching, and happy selling!